Hey guys, so I've had my TLX for 4 years now, and I want to give you my honest opinion of how it's been and what my 5 likes are. And this is an honest review, so if you guys are looking for purchasing one of these, what I can really tell you it's been like for 4 years, so not just like the first couple weeks I've had it. So kind of a more in-depth review. So let me go ahead and get started and I'll share my thoughts on this with you. So like I said, I've had this car just hit 4 years this month. And it's one of actually the cars I've had the longest. They usually keep cars for 2 to 3 years, and I get kind of tired of them and trade them in. But this car I've really enjoyed. I like how it's different than all the other cars I've had. Kind of all the Accords I've had Accords for a long time, and they've redesigned them and stuff, and they're nice. They're really great cars. But I like how this was a total redesign, but it still stays with the Honda family, which I really wanted to do just because the reliability. I've had Hondas my whole life, so if you do got to work on them, they're pretty basic. And for the money, I feel like you get a lot of features included with that, and they're features that are usable, not some gimmicky features that they're actually will last and they don't just break after a year. So these are my top 5 things that I like most about the new TLX. So some of this is going to be subjective, so like the styling. Okay, I think it's one of the best looking sedans out there. I get so many compliments on it, even to this day. You just don't see a ton of them either. People don't buy them as much as the Accord, of course. So people always ask me what it is, how great it looks. So I think it has some of the best styling, the angles, like the hard edges on it, like the hood, have some sharp creases. I think it gives it a really great look, just even sitting in a parking lot. And another one is the great super handling all-wheel drive system. If you ever driven a car with this, it's one of the best all-wheel drive systems out there. It doesn't have to be raining like this or go up in the snow to really feel how it handles, even in dry pavement when you go through corners, how it just pushes you through. It really makes it feel like a rear-wheel drive car. When you exit a corner, the back end kind of pushes on you, almost like you can slide it out. But that is one of the main reasons I got it too, because how great it handled. Like the 2.0 Accord, really good front-wheel drive system, handles great, but it's still lacking being a front-wheel drive car. And having this system in it just really completes it. It's super stable. You can make quick lane changes, and just the way it handles with the super handling all-wheel drive is second to none, really. Another one here is the high quality of the interior. I love, again, being Honda, I always like the fit and finish, and things have slid last few years, of course, with the quality, which is the case with every manufacturer. But for the most part, this quality is really nice. The nice touches on it, the real aluminum trim, just the fit and finish, the stitching, the suede in the seats, the leather is really nice. Everything about it, I feel, has a higher quality. And that's kind of what I liked about it, going from an Accord to this, is it just takes something already and kind of improves it. So it still has that Honda feel, but then it has this nicer touches. Like I said, the leather is really high quality. I like the design of the dash. You know, I even personally like how it's not touchscreen. It's so easy once you get used to the trackpad to use. You don't have to worry about reaching, try to touch stuff. You just use your hand to control it on the touchpad. It's really simple, which took me maybe a month or so, but I actually like that. And then, of course, has the 2.0, the K20 motor. Another reason, it's a super durable motor. It's been out for a very long time. It's one of the better engines that Honda builds. That's what I really wanted. Like going from the 1.5 to the 2.0 and the Accord, definitely could tell the 2.0 was a stouter engine. And reading all the reviews over the years, the 2.0 is just a more solid motor. And so I'm glad that the TLX has that. And I've had no issues with it at all. For me, it has plenty of power. It's not underpowered. It has plenty of passing power. You can get up to speed really quickly. And like I said, the thing I like is that it's a solid engine. You don't hear of problems with oil dilution and the head gaskets on them, nothing like that. It's just a really solid motor that they use. And then the last one is the resale value. Being a Honda, it still has great resale value. I always, from time to time, check the value of my car, and I'm surprised how much it holds a solid value. You know, over the years, you expect cars to really drop off, and they all do, but this one will really stay strong. You know, and that's always important if you're buying a car too, because I mean, say you want to have it for a long time, but something comes up and you want to sell it. You know, if you have a good resale value, you can sell it, make some money on it. You know, I've had cars with poor resale value, and I've been negative equity with them, trying to get out of it 2 years later. You know, and it's just a bad situation that you're gonna have to pay that off or have a higher loan if you're taking a loan on it. With all this negative equity you're adding from a car that just it dropped value really quickly. So that's something to think about too. If you're not positive that you really want to keep it forever, having a car with a good resale value will help you as well. So again, those are my top 5 things, what I love about the Acura TLX, my honest opinion about them. I'll be doing a video next week on the 5 things that I dislike about it. And again, this is an honest 4-year review. Having lived with it for that long now, like what I really come to think of it. So it's not just like the first month I've owned it and everything's great. And I'll be 100% honest with you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that. Again, let me know in the comment section if you guys have one, what your guys' thoughts are. What's your things that you love about it? I'd like to hear it. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.